Luckily, the flying mechanical terror that...
Go ahead and get ready here. Oh, that was kind
Interaction
of them.
initiated. Experiment before you implement.
Thanks for the feast, friend. Oh, let's see. 19 minutes. I like to go Healy here. Embalmer. Sure thing. Sure thing. Lust, I'm assuming, on first bosses and bosses. And on the third boss, right?
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Crit. I was having mana issues the last time I did this. Alright, Paladin is going to or not Paladin, the
In order to stop my
DH's
father,
gonna solo.
we need to infiltrate the city itself. And that...
He's gonna solo. Oh, yep, I need to get my birdie buddy. Oh, this makes me so scared. It's so scary when they drop so low.
Shockwave.
Oof. Yeah.
What's a matchup we've got tonight, folks?
Can't they still port? Or is he about done?
Wait, what's this? Now
Yep,
this
he's
is
done.
a statistical anomaly. Our visitors are still alive. A word of time to introduce them.
All right, cool.
to
Let's stand right here.
The Platinum
Excuse me.
Pummeler, and no mercy for you.
The city's entrance is
Shh,
located just
I
past
didn't
this
Soleil
door.
us.
You must hold your
Alright,
ground
here we
until
go.
we can clear a path to it.
No sweat, pal. I'm putting 20 large on no mercy.
Oh, let's get these together.
They win. Won't we be dead?
If I can't bet on a sure thing, then I ain't really living.
Really hate those. Oh, it's on me. Alright, so I'm just gonna kind of run. Just kind of staying cognizant of everybody's health. It's gonna be over soon. Gonna do a quick top up of everybody. DH, holding it down. Oh, is that gonna clip me? I don't think it will. Just gonna come up through here and help. Kind of watching the DH though, just a little bit. Getting out of the way of those bad guys. Alright. Boop. Boop. Oh, buddy. Did you die with a pot you could have used? You sure did. Whoop. Be careful. I could have kept him alive through that, honestly, though. But he was just taking a little too much damage from my reaction time to actually be able to compensate. Alright. There should be plenty of self-healing here on the guy. Just gonna top him up here. Keep CBT down, which, honestly, this DH, I mean, he's got great stability. Oh, that was a waste of Vesper.
It's too far away.
Can you re-Vesper? Like all the way down here?
With the trash.
I don't know.
Trash, 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 trash.
Nope. Okay, just gonna refresh Earth Shield here. Keep on moving. They roared. Okay, cool. CBT. Whoop, line of sight. Click. Click. Gonna pop my little
Shockwave.
cap totem there. Should be able to avoid all this junk. Oop. Oop. Where's he going? Where's he going? Where's he going? I'm gonna run on the move here. Pop my little on the move dealio. Processed waste. I don't know how far out that's going or where he had it pointed, so I'm gonna get back. Makala. I think that was his word of glory. Wow. Okay. What are we doing here, buddy? We're just gonna keep going, just like this. Just kind of alternating back and forth, little healing surge action. Keeping up Riptide. He should be able to dodge this processed waste, but I'm not gonna trust. Definitely a I'm not gonna try to get fancy here. Definitely need to purge Flaming Refuse as soon as I can. Oh no! Camera! 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 No tremor here. Oh, we don't have a tremor here.
Shockwave.
Alright, he's good, he's good. Yep, there's not really a better place to pop this. Earth Shield. Racial. Cleanse myself immediately. Because that stuff can hoit real quick. Gonna run up to catch up with the DK. He put the Flaming Refuse just before he died. I'm gonna get my little booty butt right here. Because I'm scaled. Oh, goodness. Mega Drill. That's the AoE on the floor. Just gonna keep Riptide up here. CBT. Just kind of let that keep on ticking. I think I'm behind him. Nope. Nope. No, you don't, Mr. DH. Yep, we got time here. I'm gonna give him that little pit pop. Squeak, squeak. Okay, these are junkyard dogs. Oh, junkyard dogs. We're gonna watch for the Flaming Refuse cast. I'm gonna
Watch your
hit that
step.
with a Hex. Gonna cleanse the Flaming. Go back to helping out. Gonna pop a defensive here just because this sucks. Oh, and he is out of my line of sight because that little hill there. Gotta watch that on this. Might have to get clever. Okay, good.
Watch
somebody.
your step.
2 seconds. 1 second. I'm just gonna let that Flaming Refuse fall off, honestly. Oh, this guy's just Fart City. That's all he is. Bing, bong, just to get the tick. I'm gonna cleanse that. I'm gonna try to do this so the DPS doesn't have to expend any resources.
Watch your step.
Cool beans. He's cleansed. I'm gonna drink real quick because I doubt they're watching my mana. I got the Zolgamax tick. We're good.
Sick 'em, boy!
And we gonna pop this fella here.
Look out below!
Cleanse that immediately. I don't know if he jumped. No, he
Should've
doesn't.
walked you earlier.
Gonna refresh that. There we go. May just making me nervous. Gonna refresh ES. Then run out and kind of away here. Oh, get that cleansed off the tank immediately. And then we're just DPS in here, normal single target rotation.
Time.
Gonna get away here. Gonna pop a defensive. Just because I don't know the damage profile of these classes, honestly. Gonna cleanse it off the tank immediately.
Should've walked you earlier.
Gonna refresh that before I go in. Refresh our Earth Shock. Hit people with this just in case. Get that cleansed off the tank. Oh shit. Watch it be on me. No.
It's playtime.
Did he not target me for the lead? Okay, I'm not cognizant of where that is. I'm gonna go ahead and get pre-positioned
I knew I
for the
should've walked
venting.
you
Gonna
earlier.
cleanse him. Refresh. Just gonna play conservatively. There's no reason. Okay, same thing. We're just gonna get away. Cleanse that immediately.
Look out below.
CBT. One little quick top off heal.
It's playtime.
Don't have a cleanse for their defensive. Gotta cleanse that immediately.
Should've walked you earlier.
Venting flames. Just gonna get behind here. Again, just playing conservatively.
What
There
have
we
you
go.
done? You monsters! It'll
Okay.
take me weeks to rebuild him.
Don't have a warlock. So we're just doing this old school. No. Again, I say, oh no. gonna do a
Attention,
little
citizens.
drink.
Please remain in your domiciles. Guards are currently en route to quell
I'm
the
gonna get this
disturbance.
back, Tinker. They're probably gonna need help with the Giga Wallop back there. Nope, but okay, he got them both. He got them both. He got them both. Okay, here. I don't have my buddy. I just gotta help watch out for the Giga Wallops. Help him get to the Giga Wallops while getting out of Squirrel Swirls. I know I'm missing a couple. There we go.
Shockwave.
Oh, I got the same as the. Got the same as the DH. It's alright. It's alright. Getting away from that. That's for damn sure. Whoa! He didn't though, I don't think. Interrupting that Giga Wallop. Getting that one at least. Getting away from that and that one. Just gonna keep walking. Just gonna keep walking.
You dismantled a few of my lesser inventions. Let us see how you fare against something more.
This is actually the
advanced.
hardest pull, in my opinion, of this whole deal. You don't want to stand next to anybody, simply because that thing that they put out, that what you call it, Arcing Zap, really sucks. And we are just gonna pop this. We gotta cleanse. Shit, he's gonna have to. Oh shit. Okay. He's gonna be in about as much trouble as the tank. I don't know. Does that mean that sucked? Here, we're gonna do. No, we're not. We're not gonna panic. We're not gonna panic. We're not gonna panic. 1, 2, 3, 4.
So,
Let's do this. Let's just
you
do this.
possess a modicum of skill.
We had
It will
to.
prove
Let's drink.
insufficient against my newest prototype.
Here, biggest thing is just watching this. Probably wasn't the wisest place to pop this fella, but I find that this is where we can lose a lot of people. And I just want to make sure I'm not one of them. Oh, like that. See? See how I'm not paying attention? Do you see how I'm not paying attention? They seem to got a good command of it. I'm just gonna get up there close.
The invaders have made it past the outer defenses. I want their stench
Dismiss my
removed
boy
from
here.
my city.
I have activated all civic defenses, my king. Rest assured, these organisms will be expunged from our metropolis.
Just gonna go through here. This is typically clear most of the time, this little right path.
Warning. Excessive levels
But
of
here, you
flesh
just
detected.
want to play
Warning.
careful and calm and smooth and just wait for him to go by. You can make it in there,
Warning.
but it's really,
Excessive
really...
levels of
See?
flesh detected. Warning.
Just not worth it. Just better to just wait.
I need to get close.
99 times out of 100, you're going to be better served by just waiting there. There's no rush. There's no rush. Sure, there's a timer, but you end up losing more time when you try to hurry through with a great deal of hubris. What the fuck are we doing here? Are we all here? No, we don't have the mage, who's objectively one of the highest DPS people we've had.
Shockwave.
This is an odd turn of events. I don't have my ES up. This is going to be a little on the tough side. I'm going to cleanse the druid. He doesn't seem to be big on using defensives. Should that be the case? No.
Shockwave.
Damn it. We're going to pop Tremor there. Almost certainly someone's going to run into shit. I don't have my... Really feels like a mistake to
Shockwave.
have not... There we go, get that baited. Oh, see? That's why I dropped Tremor! No! No, it was me! I was the fool all along! It was me! Oh. Oh my goodness. Here, we can go ahead and do this.
Shockwave.
Of course it's right on me, it's okay. Hey, use those defensives. They're pretty cool, man. This druid is not using his defensives, which are pretty cash money. Be sure to lean on those defenses when things get hairy.
I'll just take a little off the top. Meet your
I'm gonna stand back here. Now, I'm gonna try this. The last time I did this, you could stand way up on the stairs and you would ignore the flames? It was a fluke. Oh, it was a fluke or something. God damn it, Jonathan.
I'll just take a little off the top.
Oh, my body. That's my body. Alright, we're just gonna kind of peace out here. Not a fan of this positioning because... Oh, nope, I'm not going to be the closest one to that flower. Because that flower attacks the closest person to it.
If you can't handle the heat, stay out of my garden.
Alright, we don't have any movement for this. But we do have instance in the form of our ascendants. Go forth and conquer, Rocky.
I'll just take a little off the top.
can't see, I tell ye. I can't see. I can hardly see with all this bullshit going on, y'all. Oh my god.
Meteor bloom.
Oh, I don't think this Sparkflux fella goes to church. Oh my god. What church family do y'all belong to?
I'll just take a little off the top.
Oh my god.
Consider this your
Oh my god, y'all.
notice.
Ah! It's my body and I need it now. Oh.
This can't be right.
Pretty kish money face, me mate. Here, we want to favor the back spider tank because it starts the RP. For the little thingy to come down, the little elevator buddy. Are these? I doubt these are susceptible to stun. Nope, they're not. But it'll be back up when it's actual stun time. Hey! That's my body. I need it for stuff. Thanks, CBT. Nope, not this time. Not this time. Not this time. Bing, bong, bing, boom.
We can commandeer that transport to access Mechagon's tower.
Oh, boopity boop boop.
My misguided son returns. I'm impressed you made it this far.
You are no longer my father. Just a malfunctioning machine that must be shut down.
Poor child. If only you could accept the truth.
Is he going? I can't tell what the plan there is. I would like to get under the shields, please. Hey, let's do this. It just feels like we're taking a lot of damage. You know? Oh, whoa, 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 I'm not paying attention. Man! Oh, I don't want to be the one that pulls that. I don't think that was me. I'm Mario. I'm so sorry, Green Mario. 2, 1. Cleanse it. Oh, that's not cool. Hey, I need a birdie buddy. Like this. The arcing zap. Gotta get rid of myself. Please tell me we have no designs on pulling that last pack. Can you go away?
Friend. Toodle-hoo.
This is so scary. I hate this so much. I hate that so much. Oh, it's always so scary. Whoop! Nope. Not today, Satan.
You cannot elude my targeting systems.
It should be back up by the time I actually need that.
You cannot elude my targeting systems. Activating thrusters.
It's heading towards me. That's okay.
You cannot elude my
He's gonna do
targeting
his
system.
battery moves soon, I believe. Yep, I'm just gonna go this way, just like this.
You cannot elude my targeting systems. Activating thrusters.
Probably should have used Vesper there to help. Just kind of...
You cannot elude my targeting systems. You think you have defeated me?
80%.
Fools! All you
We've
have
got-
done is dismantle a piece of
Yeah,
furniture.
relatively full
You
cooldowns
wish
here.
to test my true ordnance? I will happily oblige.
Gotta get to one side here.
All power to weapons.
Just gonna stand right here. Get out of the way. Boop, boop. Boop. Boop.
Magnetic grapple.
Yep, it's the magnetic grapple. Judging by the difficulty the druid had with that, I've got my walk on.
Cannon fully charged.
Seems like he's doing his thing. The Giga Zap. Oh, I gotta move. I've gotta move. Sorry.
It's too far away.
That's racial. Gotta get Vesper down. I understand. Here, let's just do this. That was a swirl inside of my swirl.
Cannon fully charged.
Yep.
But you are inferior.
Good job, all.
The mech originator has been destroyed. And so has my father. You have
Plus
my
7.
gratitude,
Cool.
heroes. Know that King Mechagon's
Cool,
vision of the
cool,
world
cool.
is
No
not
other
one
malwares.
my people
Alright.
share. We must now focus on rebuilding.
Y'all have a good
but
weekend.
If you ever require our assistance, you need only request it.
Huh. This partnership wasn't that bad.
Cool.